toys. Do you know that Tubi toys are out of this world?
I'm so tired. What's wrong, baby wavy? Are you sleepy? Are you getting enough rest? Are you drinking enough blood? That's not it, Dad. I've just been working so hard at the Scream Cheese Cafe that I haven't been able to get any sleep. And Aunt Lydia, she watches these weird shows all night and they just keep me up. I'll have a talk with her. I think I have an idea. Let me see if I can conjure up something for you to get some rest in. That'd be great, Dad. Hey pals, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys, and today we have another fun video with the new Hotel Transylvania Series toys by Jazwares. Right in front of you, we already unboxed the Scream Cheese Play Set that you could find on Amazon for $19.99. And now, Papa Drac has something for his little Mavy Wavy. What does he have? Oh my goodness, it's the Hotel Transylvania The Series Ghostly Goodnight Set featuring Mavis, and she's wearing pajamas and these cute little slippers. Oh my gosh, they look like monster slippers. This is by Jazwares, and you could find this set on Amazon for also $19.99. How super cool is that? And like the first one, this one also comes with a collectible, and it's rare, and you can only unlock it with a special key. This set includes Mavis in her pajamas, a bedroom window, bedroom wall, a coffin bed, a cage, a plant, a key, and the hidden collectible. Alright, let's get it opened up. Here is everything that you can collect in this series. So far we have the Scream Cheese set, and now we're going to open up Ghostly Goodnight, which is perfect for creepovers, and they also have the grand lobby of Hotel Transylvania. Once we get the grand lobby, we can probably connect all of them, but we're going to have to see if the Scream Cheese Cafe connects to Ghostly Goodnight. So let's open it up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubi Toys by clicking that big red button that says subscribe and ring that bell. Every time we post a new video or a giveaway, you'll be the first person to get notified. So don't forget to write first in the comments below. And if you're going to see Hotel Transylvania 3 in the movie theater, it comes out July 13th. That's Friday the 13th, guys. That is super spooky and awesome. Give us a thumbs up and let us know that you're going to see it. Let's get started. Wow. Oh my goodness. Here's that wrought iron fencing again with the HT, the Hotel Transylvania logo. You see an H and you see a T in the shape of a bat. Oh, this window opens and closes. This is perfect for when Mavis and Papa Drac want to go on one of their flies. Very, very cool. Sweet. We have a typical wall for a teenager. But again, it really looks like this should be lit up. I really wish they had like some kind of electronics in here. But again, we have a really good price point of $20. So that's how they keep the price low, by not adding in any batteries or anything. I love the detail of the drawer handles. We have skull handles. That is so cool. We have some nice wainscoting right here. Look at this. So much detail. And even the stonework from the actual Hotel Transylvania. Really, really, really cool. Here are her steps going up to her window, and here are all the accessories. And we have Mavis in her pajamas, so when she gets tired from working at the Scream Cheese Cafe, she can get in her jams and go to sleep in her beautiful coffin bed. Look at this cool plant. It's so bendy too, and look at that, it's like a Venus flytrap plant. Very, very, very cool. I want to see if we can connect these play sets. It looks like you can. There you go. You can connect them. You just have to remove this part from the Scream Cheese set, and then these snap into place. That is so cool. So now we can make a really, really big Hotel Transylvania. Once we get that grand lobby, oh my gosh, it's going to look so cool. I'm sure the grand lobby is going to have to go right in the center so I can anchor it all together. This is the outside of the Ghostly Goodnight Play Set. The doors open and close, and these are cool torches that will shed some light for Mavis when she goes out on her flights with her dad. And we have this amazing stonework in a really rich purple. Looks really, really cool. And I love the wrought iron at the top. Even though it's just plastic, it is kind of like wrought iron. Super awesome. Now let's connect the wall to the window. Now you can connect it on this side, or you can connect to the right side. I'm going to connect it back to the left side. Really, really, really cute. Now we have her coffin bed. Coffin bed is pretty substantial. It has beautiful canopy scallop over here. Oh, and look! This is where the keyhole is, where we could put our key, where the surprise is. And you could store the key right there. That is really, really, really cool. Let's check out Mavis. Little Mavy Wavy is wearing her adorable pajama set. I love her little nightgown and her cute little monster slippers. Let me know in the comments below if you like her slippers, because I have the same slippers. They're called bear slippers, but I'm sure these are monster ones. So cute. She has joints at her elbow, so she could bend her elbow, twist around, bend her feet. You can turn her head. She's pretty posable. And, oh, wait a minute. Her outfit's removable too. That's really, really, really cool. So I wonder if she's going to have other outfits. Super cute. We have this beautiful decorative cage, and we have our skeleton key for our toy surprise. You can remove Mavis's pajamas too, easily by taking it off from the back, but I'm going to keep it on just for the video. She's so super cute. Now that we have the key, and we know that the coffin has our secret surprise inside, let's open it up and see what we got. Oh my gosh! And these, you know, are the rare figures. Oh my gosh, what did we get? It's so cute. Looks like we got a tarantula. Oh my gosh, so cute. It has little tiny tarantula teeth and it has like these big, big, big eyes. Now, do you know what a tarantula is? Tarantulas are spiders. That's right. They're really, really, really furry. He's so cute, this tarantula. Let's see if Mavis can fit in her coffin. I'm so tired from working at the Scream Cheese Cafe and doing all my Scream work at school. I definitely need to go to go to sleep. I'm dead tired. This is such a cozy coffin. I can't wait to get some shut-eye. Good night, everybody. And she fits perfectly inside of her coffin. But how are we going to get her out? With the key, of course. There she is. I feel totally refreshed. And I think I want to open up a toy surprise. Here you go. We have these awesome locked chests. They are the Monster Mayhem Series 1. They are the Hotel Transylvania Series and the Hotel Transylvania 3 blind boxes. It includes one monster, the trunk, one key, and the collector's guide. Each one of these comes with a really cool, funny face. This one looks angry, and it comes with a different colored key. Each blind box is either purple or green. You could order these on Amazon. They come in 6 packs for some reason, I don't know why, for $22.99. That's about $3.83 a piece. I would wait if I were you until they get to Target or to Walmart. Here's our beautiful key. What a nice color. Awesome! Oh my gosh, we got the bellhop from Hotel Transylvania, the movie! This is the Zombie Bellhop. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Really, really, really cool figure. Brains. Brains. I want to eat your brains. Ugh, he doesn't stand up that well. But we did get a really cool orange key ring, and these come in select blind boxes. Really super cool. So now we can keep this on a key ring, and it looks like a really cool skeleton key. And a skeleton key opens up anything, so that means you could open up Mavis's coffin bed too. See, I think it works like a magnet mechanism. Super cool. And if you don't already know, let's check out this checklist. Whoops, I ripped it. There are 61 to collect in all, and it's called the Monster Mayhem Series 1. Now, what's really super cool is that you can build her friend Hank. Hank is in the Hotel Transylvania series. He's Hankenstein. And these are all of these pieces that you need for Hank. So you have to resurrect him. Will you find a body part inside your trunk? We haven't found one so far. And bonus keyring inside select trunk. So far, every single trunk that I've opened, I've gotten a keyring. These are all of the common figures that you can get. More common. And then there's the rare ones. You have to look for these monsters only available in the Ghostly Goodnight sets. So all of the rare ones can be found in the play sets. So now that would mean that you need to buy more than one play set to complete it? I hope not. Then there are the ultra rare. You have to look for these monsters only available in the Grand Lobby playset. I hope you do get more than one mystery figure in the Grand Lobby set, because that's a big set. And I would love to get all of them. Now I can get some rest. So super tired. That's great, Maybe Wavy. I'm so glad you can get some sleep. Yeah, thanks, Dad. I'm so happy that I have my awesome coffin ready to go. That's good, that's good. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubi Toys if you haven't already. And remember to ring that bell every time they post a new video or a giveaway. You'll be the first one to get notified. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a spooktacular day. Blah, blah, blah.
Get subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.